before we get this vlog kicked off, we wanted to say thank you guys so much for all the support that you guys have been doing, leaving comments, sending us some products to have at our market. Now, I do want to mention, next week we are taking Isabella on her birthday trip to Galveston. This was all prepaid and planned before we got hit by the bad storm. And we did try to get our money back. They would only do half, and me and Amanda collectively decided that it would just be better to just do the trip next week for her birthday, because they were really sad that they were afraid we weren't going to be able to do it anyways because of what had happened to the house. So either we were going to take half the loss and have them not have fun for her birthday, or take her and still have a good time and try to still figure things out on the phone on the fly.
And everything they've already lost, we didn't want them to have to lose this experience too. So
we hope this information and this transparency with you guys is keeping you all in the loop. None of the donations have been used or will be used to that, which leads us into the next thing. We are 80% sure that the place we are going to is almost a definitive thing. There are some final things we have to do. Now, with that being said, the place that we are looking right now, the only way we can get approved is if we have 2 months of 2 months of rent as a security deposit, first month's rent, and the place we got is $15.50 a month. So all of the donations that have been sent to us are going to be used just for that, which now we are going to need to figure out is the furniture, because originally this was going to be furniture to get back into the place we're currently living at now. Now that's changed. Luckily, Facebook Marketplace is a good place to shop around and look for stuff on a cheaper method, which is what we're going to do. And that's the next step. This is what we're doing, is going to look at that and see what we can get done. But a lot of those funds are going to be utilized for all of that stuff to get done. And I do have a paycheck that literally comes tomorrow, which will also be utilized for that as well, because we want to make sure that we have a place to go, and we have to readjust how much the finances are coming, because there's an extra $650 coming out every month from before that we're not used to. And also the water bill is going to be incorporated, which shouldn't be much, but still we have to take that into consideration, and trash and things like that. So enjoy today's video, because it's an interesting one to say the least. And join us next week for, there may or may not be a collaboration coming in next week's vlog. Today we are starting the Family Print Project vlog with a shout out to Sam from Family Print Mill. He has sent us some products to have ready to go for markets. Amanda is opening them up right now. And we couldn't be any more grateful than the kind people in the community here on YouTube being able to do something like this for us. Very, very, very much appreciated. It's definitely going to help us keep our business going, to have products available at our next market. So again, massive thanks to Sam. We'll have his link in the description box below. We also do have a couple other things coming from a couple of the other members in this community, and we will get to that as they arrive. Again, very huge thanks to Sam.
these are actually cute. I've been wanting you to print these.
Holy crap, this stuff is freaking phenomenally amazing. Thank you so much, Family Print Mill. It really means a lot to us. This is some incredible stuff. We can't wait to showcase it at the market this weekend, right before Father's Day. The amount that you had sent over is ridiculously overwhelming, and it's too much. We are so appreciative of it. Like, I don't know how much more I can express it. This means a lot to us. So much. Kiddos are asleep, so we're going to try to organize this stuff into bins and get it ready for this weekend's market. Alright, right now we have created our new sign because somehow we don't have that sign. We also are creating a sign that says Exact Cash, Cash App, card, and then we're going to also print out an application for one of the places we might actually have potential to move into. Wild.
Nah.
So first hail earlier in the week, or I should say bad weather, bad wind, then hail, and now we got a crazy lightning storm happening that has yet to stop rolling the thunder in the sky. Yeah, it's happening all behind us. Just non-stop in the sky. I'm about to have some heavy pour. I better get inside before I get struck by lightning. Oh, All right, it is market day. We are about to get the cars all packed up. The kids will be with us today for the Fieldhouse market. We are very excited to get things going, especially with the new products that we have to showcase. We're so happy and excited for that. And the kiddos are going to actually grab them right now. Yep, all those bins. All right, we are packing things up. It's definitely a little bit harder today than originally planned. The ground is completely soaked and we are just sinking in. So we're trying to do our best that we can. Get this stuff out of here. All right, we are now hitting the road. It's currently 12:21, a lot later than normal. We're usually already starting the setup process right now. So, I mean, hopefully we can have a day like the day before, the time before last, where we made over 800. It is the day before Father's Day. So we are just having wishful thinking. No matter what the outcomes are, we're gonna stay positive, right guys?
Yeah.
Awesome. Let's get the day going.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are.
So, just ran into 3 other 3D printing people here. They're all working one booth. One specializes in repairing printers. One specializes in 3D printed ducts. Yes. And the third one does specialization in anime stuff. So that was really cool to meet them. Really excited for that. Got to chit chat for a while. I got the kids going to play over on the fields for the first time this time. It was $36 for all day for both of them to play on all this stuff. But got a customer and we'll talk in a minute. So we just had our second customer. They just bought a bamboo dragon and the crab, the one that I was able to do like 2 weeks ago, last second. And then we're just doing some keychains right now. We're going to go ahead and make them. These are all the ones we got to do. All from Sam from Family Print Mill. So thank you yet again. We really do appreciate it. And we're just getting these together and enjoying our day.
That's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow, mysterious. That's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow.
We're playing soccer in the different track thing.
Are you having fun?
Me and this other friend, he's a boy, we're winning.
Cool. Well, go have fun. But we just went live for the first time ever here on the channel. Forgive us, it's kind of loud here right now. But I just wanted to update you guys on everything. All right, so I had to step away. The people behind us are a little bit more rowdy than what was going on. So it honestly was a perfect time to hop off the live. But everything's still going smooth, very slow. I say smooth as in getting things done, with discussing how we're going to do some more lives. And obviously, Amanda is grilling me. It wasn't on the top of my thoughts, but it has been the past couple ones that we've done. But we are going to bring the microphones next time, so that way we can have cleaner, crisper audio for these videos. We're actually debating on actually leaving maybe an hour earlier today if it's really slow. Because usually we have a little pop right around now, and we haven't had that pop. But the first live that we did, bear with us, it's brand new to us. Making some changes, doing some updates, and let us know what your guys' thoughts are. We probably are going to go live when we get back home tonight, just to kind of chit chat with you guys and have a little chill session, maybe some music in the background, and actually have the mic set up, which you guys will know if we do it already. I don't know why I'm talking to you guys like you guys are seeing this today, but that's the plan. So we'll see how it goes. We'll see how the rest of this time goes here at the market, but just kind of keeping you on the loop on plans and things like that. And then the reason we hopped off as quick as we did is something that happened with Broly out on the basketball field. So wanted to attend to that, get that done. But it was around the time that we needed to stop anyways, because there's a party behind us now, which is a little bit more rowdy than we expected. So, hi Bella. Are you having a good time? You having fun? You like coming here and playing like this, nonstop? Yeah. So yeah, kids came and checked on us, and now we are getting back to 3D printing stuff. All right, so we wrapped up the market. We ended up going live first thing right after the market. So we are going to work on trying to orchestrate times that we're going to go live, let you guys know. All right, so right now we're going to get into the numbers of what we made for the market, and it's a whopping $32 for the market. And on top of that, this was just a clip that I ended up forgetting to film right after the market. But we have an update for you guys on some information we had gotten, not only from the beginning of the video, if you guys have made it this far, do we have to do all the security deposits and that, but when it comes to water and electricity, we have to pay $250 for water as a deposit, as well as $450 for electricity, which is a total of $5,320 as a deposit as well. So even more money that we have to figure out how to do. So that's been a lot of fun, to say the least, and we'll get it figured out. But just wanted to keep you on the loop. It's just crazy. Things are still unfolding, even though we're making progress. More money is needed to figure out how to do that. But let's hope for the best, keep things positive, and I do have something in mind to incorporate for this next year that I will be ready to share with you guys once I figure it out how I want to structure it. But stay tuned. And as well as today, we have two homes we're going to go look at for possibly to rent and see how it goes. Join us next week for another Family per Project vlog.